Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this cool purple monster with 3 eyes, yellow horns, and bat wings. Isn't it just so fun and different? Let's start by drawing the monster's body, face, and wings. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Color the monster's body purple and the horns yellow with a swirl pattern. The wings can be yellow with purple details, and the eyes should be bright blue with black pupils. The mouth should be red with sharp white teeth. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Look at that! Our purple multi-eyed monster looks so cool with its bat wings and horns. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this fun yellow monster with big eyes, a fluffy body, and cool sneakers. Isn't it just so cute? Let's start by drawing the monster's body and head. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now for the fun part, coloring. Color the monster's body bright yellow with orange stripes on the tail and legs. The eyes should be blue, and the mouth can be red with white teeth. Don't forget the monster's sneakers, they should be red with white laces. Keep going. You're doing great. Look at that! Our yellow furry monster looks so friendly with its big smile and cool sneakers. You did such an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.